This is the super rugged ZEBLAZE Vibe 3S smartwatch. If you look real careful in this box right here, you'll notice it's got some numbers in here, and they correlate with your pedometer count here. If I press here, you see I'm looking at calories. I can switch over to stopwatch, alarm settings in the main one, and back to normal time with date. If I press again, that's my step count and distance traveled and calories burned, and it loops through all of that stuff. You have other functions on here as well, like a selfie camera that you can use tethered to your phone to take a picture, push notifications, and push information for phone calls. This little bar on the side is your number of steps against your daily goal, and you've got weather information as well. It's really a ruggedized, waterproof, silicone smooth band smartwatch. It's the Vibe 3S. Check it out.